Good morning, everybody. This is Davey from the New Trader, and this is Marie. And yes, let's see what we do today, what opportunities we find. And yeah, we are already trading, but we are a little bit late today. Again, I have things to do that were required to be done very early, so I'm sorry about that. Hey, what's up, guy? How are you doing?
Hello.
Hello.
Bonjour, Zach.
You thought I was sleeping yet, huh?
Yeah, I thought you were sleeping.
No.
Yesterday.
No, like the game was good, and but I didn't went too late either. Like I think it was until 11 something. So, but yeah, like, but I have the same problem that you were having yesterday at night with that thing. Like that's why I also started a little bit later because like, yes, I was here at 9, but like, I pressed and it reset a couple times. So, but
I think I know why I was doing that, but like, it's okay.
Okay. So everything good over there? We have Marie
I'm
here,
long
a little
from,
bit under the weather, right?
A little.
Aye,
yeah.
aye, aye. You're long on SPY, right?
Yeah, from the pullback, like the third candle,
Look at you.
everything very good.
So basically you have like 684.60, something like that. 70 maybe, or 80.
Yeah, 80.
80, because I have the line, I have your line here at 684.50. So you went long from here.
Yeah, but I have one range at 685. It was the range from yesterday.
Okay.
So I broke it really easily in the first candle, and I pulled back to it.
Okay.
Long.
So what about you, Marie? How are you feeling today? How are things going? I know you are a little bit under the weather, that's why I say it ahead. But like
A little
we
bit.
both had
And you?
a little bit. I'm
How
doing
are
very
you
good.
doing? Yeah, you are.
The difference is that my headache yesterday went away. Like after, like I didn't feel it at all.
Yeah, yeah,
But in your
yeah.
case, I know you didn't. Yours stay there. So.
Yes.
So, but yeah. So, what else can you tell us, Marie?
Okay, so right now, I'm looking at the top stock in volume as well in our vol is NVO. So that's the top one. Then we've
MVO
got,
is Novo Nordic or what? No, it's no, it's not Novo
no,
Nordic.
they're pharmaceutical, I believe.
Okay, so if it's a pharmaceutical, it should be Novo Nordic.
Okay, so ARCAT
Right.
is the second one. And we've got Rocket Lab as well. So Rocket Lab is there. So when we're looking at SPY in RX,
Google is ripping too. So,
Oh yeah, I have that, but I'm still under the weather there. But like under the water, because I bought it at 315, 314, I think it was. Hey, yeah, it's good. It's perfectly. It went to my entry and then it bounced back down, but it's supposed to keep ripping up. So there we go. Yeah, which one are you picking out of your?
okay, so
list?
QBTS is right there. So 3110. I was interested in the long at 3110.
Mhm.
And it's 3118. It did not get, and we'll see how it reacts there.
Okay, I just want to say it because
But
it's
I'm
very
not
relevant.
sure. Yeah.
But like we have news today, we have numbers coming out.
Oh wow!
So
what
basically,
do
we have
got?
ADP unemployment that came out at 8:30. So previous was 17,000, like 17.5 thousands.
Okay.
So now we got 11.5. So like this number is just not good at all. Like the ADP
Yeah,
employment.
SPY's really pulling
He's
back
saying
right now.
that QBTS. He's just saying that the labor market is, the job market is kind of weak in general. At least from the public sector, the government is not adding that many
Okay.
jobs to the sheet. So we had durable goods orders month to month, and that came out at 8:30. So that came out like previous was 0.7 positive. The consensus for this one was minus 1.5, and the actual number is minus 2.2. So
Holy
pretty ugly
cannoli.
number there.
Yeah.
So GDP growth rate quarter to quarter 4.3 instead of 3.3. That's good. That's very good. GDP is a little bit higher than expected or than the consensus. durable goods except transportation. It came out at 0.2 instead of 0.3. GDP price index quarter to quarter is 3.7 instead of 2.7. That's good. Core PCE price is 2.9, just in line as it was expected, 2.9.
Okay.
So GDP sales 4.6, previous was 7.5%. So that one came way lower. Non-defense goods orders is 0.5, previous was 1.1. So yeah, a lot of numbers actually. So the rest are not as relevant as the one I just mentioned right there. But yeah, and we have Richmond Fed Manufacturing Index at 10 o'clock. So just watch out for 10 o'clock, and more than that, we should be okay. So, yeah, I see SPY is pulling back, but still far from your entry, Zach.
Yeah, I did too. I took partial on the way up.
Look at you.
The pullback.
Not there.
I see QBTS being a little bit funky here.
Yeah.
Okay, so
What about you, Davey? What are you looking at?
I have Nvidia open. Microsoft yet is there, but yeah.
You're holding Microsoft.
Yeah, I am.
Hi.
Ay, ay, ay. So we're just gonna add a little bit to Microsoft because I think it's right. It's holding good. The problem with trading in Microsoft is that we have to keep using the word holding or not holding, and then it's like then my joke, like my guy joke, comes out like eh. I don't want to say that, you know. But
You've
yeah,
been holding Microsoft all day. Okay.
it has been so soft. Ay, ay, ay.
Oh, you guys are crazy.
But yeah, more than that, all good. You know, like I learned something, Zach, from the pullback for last week, and I want to share it with you whenever we get there, like whenever we have some time. But like, it's not for day trading; it's for swing tradings, for swing trades. Like I know you hate it with passion eventually. I think that's what you said last time we talked about it. But like I know, right now I know that the price I got for Google, when I look at it, like it was at 315 roughly, like and I know I had a downside of like 309. Like 309 was my second best price. My best price was 309, but I say no, it's not gonna get there. I'm gonna buy it at 315. And but if you see, like it pulled back to 295. So like the 295, of course, after it happened, it's like also obviously it was going to go to 295, 296. But what I'm saying here, like with the information that I learned in the pullback related to the overall market, it was predictable that it could get to 295, like that it had a very high chance to get to 295. So and it's based on your levels. So basically, it's like if I'm saying SPY was way too far from a level of value. So we were seeing already SPY coming, trying to get to that level of value, but Google was staying high there. So if SPY was going to go to the level of value, for sure we could be expecting Google to be coming even lower than 315. But I was not accounting for that in my swing trades before. But now, whatever, like after this trade, that's something that I'm gonna be looking at for sure. It's like, okay, how extended are we or not from those value points? Oh la la. So SPY keep pulling back, and Nvidia sleeping. So Marie RGPI.
So the pullback, 6.
That's That's the right question. Let's look at that. I talked with my friend, the one that is in the group, yesterday about all the things. And then I asked him, "Oh, it was for real that you are out of the market until next year, or it was a joke?" And he said that no, it was for real. Like, so he's not trading until January 1st, like second, something like that.
Because of the volume?
No,
or
I
just
didn't
family
ask.
time or
I didn't ask him why, but yeah, I just asked like if it was real or it was a joke,
okay.
but I didn't went around the why. Yeah, I think SPY want to pull back to 684.60. No, 683.50.
How's 683.70?
Yeah, it's like 5 cents difference. So let's just put a little line here just to make sure that we are aware of that. That's a very relevant level. 683.70. I'm gonna go with Marie there because my level is not precise. It's just a about 683.60, 683.50, something like that. So I will be expecting SPY to go back down here.
Are you still in your trade, Zach?
I guess that felt.
Well, he took partial, so it's should be good.
Oh, I saw that today. SPY is really depending on the big mover like Google and things like that. I'm checking Google what it's doing and it's breaking.
Well,
We do have some green, yes. Amazon, Google, Nvidia, and Microsoft.
chart wise, they look all the same. For example, I have Google, I have SPY, Nvidia, and MSFT, and like is that's the only one that looks a little bit different. The others looks all the same, you know. What about Apple? Yeah, Apple is looking the same as well. Yeah, Apple has some possible downside, like about $6 toward the downside. I don't know if that is correct. So, yeah, that's quite a lot actually.
What? Okay.
I don't know if any of you guys are interested in Apple short, but like could work.
I have a small short. A small short.
How long?
I don't know what was the reaction on SPY at the open.
It's the numbers. Like if I have to guess, I will attribute it to the numbers because GDP growth is very
Did
relevant.
any other number come out, maybe?
No, until it's 10 already. Oh my God, it's like it's true, it's 10. So that name, I'm telling you guys, we should watch for 10, and I think it was already 10. So yeah, like Richmond Fed Manufacturing Index came out minus 7, and the shipments minus 11. So negative number here for those. But yeah, just that. So looking pretty ugly. So the numbers at 10 for Richmond indexes are not looking good because they are negative. Like one is negative 7, negative 11, and negative 6. So though the GDP growth for whatever reason it is like 4.6%, like that's amazing. Like that's a very good number. So
So a little bit of confusion.
it's funny because I remember you and I have the discussion about that one, and like, but it's in January. The email like that we have for that, like in January, like yeah, like what the heck? Because I was saying that they were going to bump it up, like the GDP growth, and they are doing it, but not as much as I was expecting by this time. But of course, we have a lot of hiccups on the way, so it's like, yeah, I kind of don't have a strong conviction about my prediction there. So 271.79, 271.79, 471.79. Oh yeah. This is very shortish. I don't want to influence anybody, but that short on Apple, like I don't want to take it because I have to trade open already. But like that short on Apple with very little shares, it could be very attractive because it's the risk to reward ratio is about a 1-to-6.
Oh wow.
So you can risk about, like let's say if you have patience, you can risk about $1. If you can risk less, it's okay. Like if you are risking only 50 cents, which may work because the price is very precise. Like technically it shouldn't print more than 271.90. So if you take it, let's say at 271.70 or 271.77, you have a stop loss of 50 cents in a $200 ticket. And the downside that I see on this Apple is potentially about $6. So you take it with a big chunk of salt, but if I am right there, it's a good trade. Like just the risk to reward ratio is attractive enough that if I didn't have those two trades open, I would be going for that one. I have been taking care of myself, so that's good. I am in a good mood today because I went to bed like at 11 something, almost midnight.
Okay.
But like before I went to bed, I drink water. I put my mind in the right mind frame for me to
I
sleep.
like that.
And
Look at you.
it just feels different, you know, like but
It
you know,
feels better.
yeah, it's like and Lila woke up many times overnight. It's like, oh man, like to the point that we have to bring her to our bed. It's like, but yeah.
Poor little baby.
My brother from another mother. My guy, Spy is reacting to your level.
Indeed.
I see that.
Or okay, I added on the short.
Look at you. Yeah, like the VWAP is putting a lot of resistance on that bad boy.
You are plus the level.
Yeah, like he's. But that basically like he's trading below both of them, so if that fall on it, it's gonna be fantastic. Maria.
I got another level that is holding it up. But I think it's gonna break it. Like right where it is right now.
Mm-hmm.
This is the range.
Nice. I think I have that one, but I decided to ignore it. Like, let's see if I am right, like about that, if I have it or not. The reason why I ignored that one, if I did, is because the one that
It's
is
not on. It's not on a monthly. It's on a daily, but inside the monthly.
yeah, exactly. I think that level was put there yesterday, if I'm not mistaken.
It was there yesterday already, bro. It was put a bit before, but
Okay. Do you have anything at 683.90?
no. The next one is 682.60.
Holy crap!
Mm-hmm.
There is a major one at 683.57 holding B4, so just watch out for that. Yeah, the people, like, I was playing with somebody and the people in the chat were asking, when is your friend coming?
Oh, Zach?
Oh yeah.
I
And like
love
I
it.
say, oh, he have 11. Like I was reading the text that you sent me today. Like, oh, he have 11 gigabytes to download now.
I was there at on the stream with it.
Yeah. Because I told them like I'm gonna play until with you until my guy comes, and like it was like one match, and then like, do we have time for one more? And like, yeah, until he comes and then send it. Like, but it was fun. Like I played pretty bad yesterday. You know, like horrible. I played. You know.
Horrible?
Oh yeah, they were.
That's rare for you.
They were reviving me every time, but like, it's okay.
Like my parents just bought an internet TV thing.
Mm-hmm.
And I think when they listen to it, the download speed is like non-existent.
My guy. Sorry for the ignorance, but what is an internet TV?
Oh,
Like a
vibe.
Okay, okay, like when we are, like if your TV is not connected to the TV cable, but it's connected to your Wi-Fi.
Mm-hmm.
I have the same impression when we are using the TV here and I am using the internet. Because we have...
It draws a lot.
Yeah.
It draws a lot.
We have had that for the last 5 years, maybe more. And, but yeah, I never pay attention anymore, but like at some point I had the same feeling. So, good.
Like as soon as they get out of the TV, they went to sleep, they go to sleep. They download in like 15 minutes.
You don't have a cable for your internet?
Yeah, I have a cable.
Like, that's the best normally? Because it will prioritize your team. So,
A ting,
your team.
a ting.
You cannot defend that one too much, you know? If you were Tio Joe, I say, okay, Tio Joe, I'm sorry for saying thing, but like you...
Ting.
I have heard you being a Latin lately.
Oh God! I say ting so much he laughs. That's why I say ting, because he laughs at me. It's not a ting.
How did you say last week that we were like, what? You remember?
No.
Well, it wasn't streaming, we should be able to find it. I said like, you say what? I don't remember what it was. But I have to say, I'm very proud of your Spanish. So,
Gracias.
it's, if you are mixing your languages, that's okay.
Sí. Tu familia. Estuve comprender cuando yo hablo español.
Yeah.
Sí.
Do you remember the fish I never showed you the fish.
Yeah, the blackened fish. Yes.
No, the fish from the mountain.
A fish. In the mountain
Yeah.
with the
It's good.
potatoes.
No, my uncle, he did like a water. It's like he had like a little farm, but for fish. Farm, like a farm.
A fish farm. No.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But it's in the mountain. So like I don't remember if it was you, but like somebody asked me about the color of like this fish. Was you who asked me for those?
Un momento.
Yeah, yeah, all good.
Ok, dime.
Was you who asked me for the color of those fishes?
No.
Like what they were?
Je no creo.
Somebody
What?
asked me, like, like, so, but they are like, I didn't know what they were, so because he posted the picture yesterday, I went and I asked him. And it's called tilapia in Spanish.
Oh, we have that,
So,
right? A lot.
like, I always hear people talking about them, and I didn't know how they look like. So, but like now, he say that's what he's growing in there.
But tilapia is white.
He say
Inside.
they are both things. Yeah, it's white inside.
Okay.
But he said that the outside,
Uh-huh.
they have it in two versions, like black and red.
Mm.
Red orange-ish, you know, like. My guy, talk to me about your spy.
When it broke, I flipped home.
So you have the low now.
Yeah, that's
A stop loss below a lower low or a stop loss tighter than that?
below a level.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's Novo Nordic NVO. And this is the people that are doing the injection for lose weight.
Mm-hmm. They're really coming out with really, really strong side effects for that.
It's like, I will give it a shot or two.
You would?
Oh yeah.
You're young.
And then when I'm in the right weight, I will just stop.
Yeah, it's a lot.
I only need to lose like another 50 pounds.
Okay. I don't think so.
No, but like when I am on my ideal weight, I don't like the way I look because
Oh, well, that's new. I think people mostly.
well, no, everybody say it to me too. Like everybody say, "Oh, I don't like the way you look when you are there."
No, but I don't think anybody enjoys being overweight. Do you?
Well, like that's a like, yeah, you are simplifying like but I like I don't enjoy to be skinny, like or to be like I don't enjoy being 165 pounds. That's my ideal weight.
Okay.
Why? Because I am too skinny. Like my face
Okay.
looks so big in comparison with my, and I always have that problem, you know. Like I mean, so it's like, why you have so many bones in your face? You know, well, my guy, it's like, it's what it is. So, but like, I think 180, 170 is what I prefer.
Okay.
So, but yeah. Oh, that's what I said. If I would take a shot like that, I'm like, hey, once I am 170, just control what you eat.
Okay.
Oh,
Oi.
Headache again?
See.
Ay, ay, ay.
Doing Christmas cookies.
Are you taking anything for it?
Yes. Watch out.
Like, one of my problem trading is I take good trades, but in between those good trades, I take some bad. that blew off my profit.
Yeah. I remember that.
Like, I went wrong on my level. It went up to partial. Added, set me off. But then I had another level. So I should have gone wrong. But then I thought it was going to break that level, so I went short. That cost me a lot.
Okay.
But my real mentality would be like, okay, broke the first, let's check if it can hold the second one.
Mm. Makes sense.
And on
That
a day
never
that's broke,
happens to us.
That happened every time. Like
That never
I
happens.
didn't want to
us.
trivialize what you were saying, but it happened a lot. Like I actually was going to ask you, like, how do you feel about the size that you are using? Is like, do you feel like it forced you to have a tight stop loss, or you are comfortable with it?
But it depends on what I want and where I want to put my stop loss. I play with the size. What do you mean?
Like, yeah, like that's because like basically what you are saying is like if you are risking, let's say, $100, you will adjust your size based on how wide is the other level, or like, or how thin it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you are doing that, there is no more efficient than that. That's the best to do.
But like right now, I took it really.
Like for you to have an idea, that's not what we do. Like, and I can talk by myself. Maybe Marie is a little bit better than me because she's able. I see Marie a lot. Like when like she get like in half or she get in less position, then she add. But I am not doing that as much. But what I'm saying here, like, what I'm saying that we are not doing what you're doing, which is the most efficient thing, is like sometimes I take a battery, and my risk is way too big for like it's not like a 1 hour as normally will be. So like and like, but it's just like a 1-to-1. Like let's say I know I am risking 2R, but I may make 2R. So even if I am making just 2R, or like it's still a 1-to-1, because initially when I took the trade, my risk was way bigger. So, but in your case, you are adjusting that like dynamically. So
It's always $200 on that account.
Okay.
But the shares depend on how wide I am.
okay, because right now you are trading on the top step.
Mhm.
Okay. Yeah, that I
That's
didn't know
why
if you were
it's
in your actual account or in the top step. Holy crap! Look at Apple. Yeah, it's okay. Don't.
You know what?
No, Apple just took a long weekend there toward the downside.
I like to do that.
I'm gonna stop looking at Apple because this market is not a short market. Like Apple is really, really tempting me. So, whoa. What's up?
Okay.
My guy, do you have crazy plans for Christmas? Like, your Christmas is the 24 or the 25?
I have a party today.
You've
Party
got a-
today, 24, 25, 26,
Okay.
28.
Okay, wait for it.
31.
Where is the button? Disconnect. Disconnect. The guy don't have time for you. Ay, ay, ay.
Is it all in family?
Yeah, like this year is kind of packed. Like today is with my brother, my girlfriend, and everything at my house. And tomorrow we're going to Laval with my girlfriend for her family. And the 25 it's with her grandparents. And the 26 is with my mom's side. And the 28 is with one of my friends and your parents. His parents. Then on New Year we do with my friends.
Busy?
Yeah.
I like.
I have one party the 24 with Marie and my family. I'm gonna sleep next day. I'm gonna sleep the day after. And I'm gonna sleep the day after the day. So it's like, but that's pretty cool, my guy. Like, I mean, if I would be in my country, probably will be something like that because
Oh,
these
yeah.
people like.
You'll be going door to door everywhere,
Yeah.
right? So-
But like in here, like Vladi and I like to rest and spend the time quiet, and like our family here is Marie, so that's why we. It's the only person I think we celebrate Christmas with. Sometimes we do it with our
With
Colombian
Fernan-
friends
yeah,
too,
Fernanda.
but
sí.
right now they are in Colombia.
Sí.
So because they went to spend the whole Christmas in Colombia, and this time it's gonna be only one party, and
Yeah, because usually you do something.
yeah,
with,
we do.
Fernanda.
And like it's pretty nice. We enjoy it too a
Mhm.
lot. So they are very nice friends. So man, these people
That's
like
why it's pissing me off.
yeah, but right now, Zach, if you have like, do you have a good entry?
Medium.
Medium, okay, yeah, because like if you are able to survive, you should keep going higher.
It's 685 my entry.
Like just look at the pocket between the moving average before the market open. That's something like I don't speak much about that, but like it's something I do look at, and it's gonna show you right now what I'm talking about. So if we go in the 5 minute, so like this is the actual 5 minute moving average, the one that is a solid green line here. So look how long we have been not touching that line, like for like about 2 days, like consistently. So now we pull back, we break that moving average, and now we are recuperating. It's like, so we are trading above that. And this guy, this pink line here, at some point supposed to go below this line, and then they will be like more bullish. But basically what I'm saying, like this pocket that you see here, like this pocket between the price and the 200 moving average, you are expecting something like that to happen at around here. So
I like that reaction on my level and
and look at the trend line here, like basically SPY have all the potential to go to 189. Like 689, my bad, 689. Like this trend
yeah,
line
let's
here.
go down too.
Yes, but like, and this is like the relevant information in my opinion here. You see how in the bottom is peaking, like it's a peak, like it touched it. Like yes, it did it here and it did it here, but if you see the actual trading that is happening like steadily, steadily is happening on the top of the range, not on the bottom. So that's a bullish setup. So the top of the range being like the one that is being scraped is the one that I know it's not the actual top, but is higher than lower. Like if you have a middle line here, it's holding above. I know it's not part of your strategy, but like with time we're gonna learn like all together to look at many things at the same time.
Something interesting that I saw is like you know the trader that I was talking about that only look at the volume profile footprint.
Yeah.
His name is Fabio Valentini. He made like they're selling a platform, but yeah, like it's kind of expensive. But on that platform, there's an indicator that it's like the level 2.
Oh, I know that guy. I mean, I know it from a documentary.
Yeah, but it's like a level 2, but on the chart. So every time there's big order, it is doing like balls. That guy is trading with that.
Yeah, I was wrong. I don't know that guy. So the one I was talking about was from another. It's an old guy. That from a documentary I watched. But this guy, I never.
That guy is young, and he's the champion trading championship.
Pretty nice stuff.
He was doing like live trading session, and like making 9,000
Nice.
in 1 hour and a half.
Nice.
He's a sculptor. Like,
I will take a look at him. That's why when we talked about him last time, like you told me, oh, I'm watching a scalper. I asked you for the link because I wanna see. Like I told you, I'm a pretty bad scalper. Like, so I need to learn a lot in that. Whoa.
but I don't know if it's like if he's only trading with his indicator to sell his indicator, but like it looks kind of good.
Okay. Oh, because he have a unique indicator. It's not just a volume profile.
Yeah, they made it's called Deep Charts.
Okay.
They made a platform called Deep Charts. And it's $60 a month, kind of expensive. And his indicators in there, it's like the same as the level 2, but only showing the big orders where it was placed. So it's like a simplified version of the level 2. And it's trading with that in the volume profile. Good.
Nice.
60 a month is kind of.
Yeah, I don't think I will buy his product, but like I will definitely take a look at how he trade.
Mm-hmm.
But how much is DAS level
Sounds
2?
different.
Yeah, no, that's like my build because I have a couple add-ons. Is like roughly like 220, 250 probably. But I have all the books that they offer. I have replay trading, and what else I have? I don't remember what else, but yeah, it's more than $200, but it's no more than 250 for sure.
USD, I guess.
No, those are Canadians. Like USD is 150 plus like 25. So I have the thing here. I can tell you what it is exactly. Like I just need to check the bill. So
Okay, SPY on its way, 686.
I have
The biggest level is at 686.40.
like 3 hours electric.
Nice.
686 what?
686.40 with
Wow.
a push through at 686.60. That's SPY, yes.
That's far.
So the total I pay is 170 USD. So Canadian. Let's see how much Canadian is that. From USD to CAD. So $233 Canadian.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's quite expensive, I guess, but
I'm taking partial there.
So why did you take a partial there?
because it's the opening.
Here comes the money.
That's exactly.
I didn't hear you very sorry.
No.
He didn't hear you.
Yeah, but that was because of the money. So why did you take a partial there? What did you see there?
I'm scared of 686. Like I don't have a level, but it's a round number and yeah.
Okay.
I it took like not half of the quarter.
So Marie telling you that she probably have the same point of view that I do have.
Mhm.
So
You can say what you think about it, like not just
like
you think it's too early.
but yes, but not. The reason why I say yes, but not, is because where you take your partial is exactly the opening range high. So, like, from there, if Maria and I are wrong, it can go all the way down. But what Maria is seeing is that, like, and I'm gonna look at the tape to not be talking crap in here because I know it for the setup. Yeah, like the tape is too bullish. So I think that Maria is seeing a way higher potential in the trade, and you might be taking partial early. But yeah, like 280, like SPY seems to be wanting to go to 688 today. I don't want to be too sure about it, but it looks like if it wants to go to 688, and if it can go even higher. But the best case scenario I have is 688 with more certainty. So I don't know if for that Marie was telling you that, but like I think she can let us know if it's for that or not. Is that the case?
Correct. Well, I saw there were, at that point, there could have been a couple of sellers there, but definitely 686.10 and 686, like I said, the 40, and now actually he's pushing back at 686.70. So the potential of it going through is quite high.
Probably what I will do if I were
But
you.
I was wondering, I just maybe he saw something in his stochastic or, so I was curious, Zach. For sure, what you need to understand, Zach, and that's why that I'm asking these things, is because I believe we do not take enough partials.
Okay.
So
Which
for
is
me,
that true. Like
it's totally true.
that's why I
I do
think-
believe that you and I do not take enough partials. So I'm curious when Zach will take a partial. He's a lot better and more efficient at taking partials. So I said, why did he take it there? And when you're looking at how it reacted when he took a partial, he obviously, I don't know your share size, but you're doing something to the market. You know what I mean? So yeah, what did he see there that we did not see? But I think it's just pure discipline, right? Of saying, hey, you know what? I'm going to take a partial there because I don't want to leave any money on the table. I like that.
Like the main reason why I held back my comment is because when you took your partial, I look at the SPY and I say, hell yeah, that makes sense. Which is, like, if you look in here, I have a green line there that is marking the top, like the high of the opening of the first 15 minutes. And it's like if we were disciplined enough to take this partial every time, like, technically you make more because most of the time the market will try to fool you and like so, but like in case, because I know like it's a double-edged knife or sword here if you want to say, but like let's say if you have a decent price, which I think you had, because we are breaking all the levels, something you can try to do that I do and sometimes it prints very well is that you put a bracket order. You already have partial, let's say, and if you are already green, I will put my stop loss at break even and the target at 688, and I will forget about the trade. So if it's attractive, just you can exercise that. But yeah.
Yeah, because I like definitely I find that Zach is more.
Oh yeah, no, it's
he's
like there's no doubt
definitely
about
more
that.
disciplined into
Okay,
taking.
I took two at the top too.
There you go. Like you really good to, I find anyways, that's why I was asking, is that you're very good to take your partials in the top of the range, and your stop loss I find that getting out at the bottom, right? So if it pierces the bottom, so yeah. Trying to get the knowledge from the wise young one.
There it was because of the high of the day. I
Okay.
took it.
So you
Plus,
took another one
stochastic
there.
is-
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, stochastic is starting to curl back down.
I've got RSI curling back down as well,
Yeah,
just a wee
supposed to
bit.
be the same RSI.
Mm-hmm.
So
but
that
we
doesn't mean
still
it
have
won't
some.
break. It just means that it's more risky to hold a position there.
So it's really though when we're looking at yes the RSI, though it's got a little curl it's holding, and
Yeah,
we
you
do
can have
have
one curl.
it's strong buyers right now.
But what I'm looking at with my personal is like, is there a risk at this point of reversal? That's what I'm looking at.
Okay.
And if there are, depending on what is the risk you take, like that same amount in partial. If it's a big risk, you take more. If it's a small risk, you take.
Okay.
Like if it's sitting with VWAP, that's a big risk.
Mm-hmm.
On my level, it's a big risk. But there it's less of a risk, let's say, to the top. That's how I see it.
I like it.
I love you guys, both of you.
Why are you laughing?
No, it's pretty cool. It's just cool, you know. It's like we are learning from each other here. And it's like
Absolutely.
freaking nice.
Isn't it? Well, you've always said that too, right? That to trade when you've got other people to trade with, it brings a lot to the table,
Yeah.
right? For it could be one day one is clearer than the other, or sees things differently. Just a discussion.
Like I think the big rock that we already passed from that is when we get conflicted. Like you remember there was a point that like you take a short and I wanted to prove to Marie that it's a long.
Oh, yeah.
It's like okay.
And then
like-
you really see the plantain
Yeah.
coming out from both of us. Yeah.
So like it happened for a little bit, but then you say, no, all good, you know.
I
Let's
remember when me and Davey were going short and Marie was going long. Like,
Yep.
Yeah.
That's true.
But it still happen. Like it does happen a lot. Like and like the difference is that now most of the time we're gonna be green in both directions. So, but what I'm saying is like what is not healthy there? Like is to create the confusion in the other side. So like I can take the short, but I don't have to let her know that much information about the short that then she doubt about what she's doing. Because what if I am wrong? So
Okay, so SPY reacting strongly at the 686.11 there. And that's what Zach was saying. So when we're looking at the heat map,
it's a very weird heat map.
and you took the words right out of my mouth. So it's almost like it's to the point of pivoting. So we've got a lot of
what
mix.
do you mean the heat map?
So
Yeah, we have a heat
software?
map. No. It's the overall market heat map.
we should take a picture and send it to him.
Yeah, I'm gonna send it to you.
It's not the book, the software with the.
No, it's not like I paid that for 3 months and then I drop it because I didn't find that much value. Like yes, it has value. They're just like
We call it heat maps. It's heat map. I've heard the term market heat map. I've heard the term sector map.
Okay, I know what you're talking about. It's like all the percentage in all the sectors.
Correct. So you've got all the biggest one, obviously, in each sectors are there, and then you're looking at how they're performing. But right now, to Davey's point, we've got a lot of red in the smaller players, and the biggest one are very, very slightly green. So it's almost like there's a pivot.
Yeah, so if I get funded, I might try the deep charting.
Mm.
Yeah. Because I find that it's missing. I'm missing something.
Okay.
Okay.
It could be a level 2, but yeah. If that is a more simplified level 2.
A user-friendly level 2.
Yeah, it's like more for speed,
Mm-hmm.
for scalper speed.
But like for example, the heat map, like the actual heat map software, like you bring a depthness of the market that we are not able to get somewhere else right now. So
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that deep chart, I think, is a mix of level 2 and deep chart, deep map. Or,
like technically, if you text them or if you write to them, like they should be able to tell you what books are they providing this data from. Like you say, oh, I wanna hire your service and blah blah blah. But I would like to know what are the books, the order books that are forming your actual, and they will tell you it's INET, ARCA, and blah blah blah. But like basically, the more books you are able to pay for, is the more solid levels you wanna be able to see.
Let's check it out. Yeah, 69 USD a month.
Mm-hmm.
Footprint, volume profile, deep trace.
Like for example, I saw Andrew last week talking about the heat map and explaining something. But like what I find here, yes, you're gonna know which are the levels, but don't we get the smoke in the levels eventually?
Correct.
So like you can know what is a good price, but at the same time you have to have a clear plan of like in this case you do have that, like you have a clear plan what to do with them. But like because the way that Andrew was saying is like, oh, it's very simple, like very very simple onboarding. I'm gonna go away. You just look at that line there. But what I'm saying is like yes, you're seeing the level there, but you don't have warranty that it will get there. More like when it gets.
management.
Yeah, exactly. It's just a point of interest that have more credibility.
Mm-hmm. Well, or what it's going to do when it gets there. So is it going to maintain, like if you see it as a short, or is it going to maintain that level of resistance there, or is it going to use that level of resistance and now is going to become a level of support, right? And
Yeah.
just go bullish. So how many times did we say, hey, no, I'm going to short it at that level. That's a good level. Oh, like SPY. Oh, I'm going to short it at the 686.11 right there. That's a double top. Whoops. It pulls back a little bit. Then all of a sudden it goes full bullish.
Yeah.
Like something I need to have is like, okay, I have multiple range. Which one is the best? Yeah.
Yeah, in that part, I am already discriminating then. So, I mean,
Yeah, by the number of, by the volume, the lowest volume.
yeah, like, it doesn't have to be the lowest, but I will compare the volume that is close to, let's say, that I am willing to take an entry with the previous volume that it went through.
Yeah, but even there, you can break it.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, for sure.
Or I would need something to say, okay, like sometime, like at 9:49, it reverse outside my level. I need to know why
Why that happened?
the car reversed. I know it can happen just like that. If someone decides, okay.
I'm so. Nvidia has not been moving for quite a long time, and Davey had a overnight it's no more an
7
overnight
hours?
anymore. It's like a 7 days
Mm-hmm.
trade. But wow, Davey, what a call on holding it because
Well,
Nvidia
I'm
is
gonna be
just-
allowed at 194.
Okay,
Got 7 hours on that thing?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Like once you get to 194, I wanna liquidate. Like planning to liquidate maybe today, but like.
I was gonna say today it seems like 186.20 seems to be a top. Do you have that there?
Yeah. Yeah.
Mhm.
But my trust, is on a SPY. Like,
I took one more partial because it was. Is it taking too much? Okay.
yeah. But like, I'm gonna ring the bell for you, and then I'm gonna say something about it.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Usually when I do that, that's when it moves.
Yeah, like you see, for example, this is the high here, and you see how it went by the penny here. But notice that the time that we spent previously here was only 2 minutes. Here we came very close here, and then we are spending a long time here. While it's doing that, what is actually happening is that it's accumulating force to break through. So once it break through, it probably gonna use that as a level of support. Just because you're having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 minutes trading here, like very quietly, very close to the top. What that is telling us is that the sellers are not as aggressive right now here. And if the buyer keep buying there, like it just at some point it will have enough strength to break through.
Do you see something on your tape? And
I can take a look at that. This is 6. Yeah, for sure, my guy. Look at how 686.26 here. This is the high. That 400 lot there is the high. So, but look, you have 20 cents higher. You have another 100 lot. A whole dollar something higher. You have you see that we have a bunch of hundreds, and there is a space in between, and in the space in between is filled up with more orders. In my judgment, even if you pull back to the VWAP, there is a 90% chance that it will break through.
so do I practice holding it? And because the other day I said that I was gonna hold it, I didn't hold it. And
I would suggest that, but I would say break even on it because
breaking even already. Partial, I can take maybe one more.
And if I were you, I would put the order like from the good to go. I will put a break even order, and at the same time an order to get all out at 688 because it's clear as water that it wants to go to 688.
Holy shit, man.
Holy shit!
But it's like that's what we were talking about. The thing is not 100% warranty, but like the way I evaluate, I will assign to it the 90% chance.
Like that move candle down, then.
There we go.
So you're working today, Davey?
Yes, today is the last day before Christmas, so then I'm off until Monday.
Wow.
Yeah, it's gonna be good quality time. So
Yes, that's amazing. Everybody's off. You'll have fun.
wee.
That we.
Is Pierre doing good?
Yeah,
Is
it's
it
doing,
all time sometimes?
yeah, it's doing pretty good.
I have to go say hi soon.
Yeah, like to be honest, I don't know when he's there or not during Christmas days. Like, but like I know that we are not working after today. From what I know, like yes, we go Monday. Like this time, we take like an extra day or two off for this week. But next week, we are working normally.
Okay.
We only will take off the day that is the holiday. Like we actually work the 31st until half a day. Then we have the first it's a holiday, and
Okay.
then we come back Friday to do our things.
Hmm.
You guys building more machines or
No, we have a long time without touching anything like that.
more orders?
Yeah, more orders. Oh my gosh.
Goes by. Imagine I had that long from the bottom on my level. Plus, it would have been really tight surplus because my level is really
There we
Oh,
go.
why?
I'm gonna give you my recipe on that one. Whenever I have enough profit in 1 week, I will be start doing that. Like I start taking trades and not taking partials. Like
Okay.
and I can tell you have been working good. So like with the bad days,
taking trades.
what was that?
What do you mean taking trades and no partial?
Yeah, like for example, like let's say in your levels things that you are doing, like you go in a higher time frame, not necessarily 3 months. Let's say you go monthly, and you say, okay, this is a good price, and like you put your normal stop loss, you put your order to go in. Once you go in, you hold it with your stop loss, knowing that you are risking 1 hour that you made another day. So knowing that you are risking that 1 hour, and you just try to let the trade work from station to station, basically from your entry toward your next level without partialing. So once you do that, you're supposed to have both orders in. Your order to get the step out with a loss, and your order to get the step out with the profit at your actual level that you say, today it might get there. So, and something you can do if you want to mitigate the risk is that once it escape one of the levels in between, then your stop loss, you move it to break even.
That's what I was doing when I was replaying things. Entering on a level, aiming for the other level up,
Mm-hmm.
break even on the other level. So
The reason why it's important to have profit from previous day is because that doesn't work all the time, you know, like that doesn't work as the little trades we take like as often as.
Mm-hmm.
But when you get it, you get a decent chunk.
yeah, but what I'm doing is the same, but with partial.
Yeah. And then when you get to the actual target, your position is so diluted that you say, oh, I could make a 10 extra R if I just hold it from originally.
Yeah, that's the problem, but it's safer, right? Like at 10, look at the bottom, it
So
was right on the level.
I want to show you something that just happened right now. Look right pretty quick here. 686.50, half 500 lot, went through like nothing. But look at 687, another 600 lot. And then you look even below. So it's just, this is a crazy bullish tape for SPY.
Since you put your stream on the iPhone cell phone thing, I don't see that much.
It's true, it's not there. It's funny because I have the other OBS open already. Like the big screen is right here, right in front of my face. It's just I didn't put the hotkeys for the streaming to start when I press the other hotkey to start the streaming. So that's gonna be done for sure for next by the 1st of December of January. It's gonna be back. Both the stream is gonna be there.
By next year.
By next year, yeah.
What a trade that is.
Ay, 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 ay.
Yeah, can I imagine taking it from the bottom too? That would have been crazy good.
Yeah. And it's funny, like, because if we look here on the SPY, where did it stop when it was pulling back? That's a 200 moving average. Simple 200 moving average. Look at that.
Yeah, so it touched the 200 moving average plus my level. My God, what did I go short there? Like, I went short at that level, thinking it was gonna break.
Yeah.
That cost me like a R. And when I pulled back, I went back. Cost me another R. Yeah.
So Marie's trading RCAT and RXRX.
Yeah, RCAT's in my sim.
I like the way RXRX move normally. Like, what?
So I took one last partial, then I let it run.
Okay.
If you hear me say that I took everything out,
Mhm.
you hit me in the face, my guy.
We are too far for me to do that from here. No, but I like you say that, but I will do the same. If the profit is attractive enough, I will take it. You know? Say, okay, I'm done for the day.
I put my stop loss at a bit at 685.90. Just to keep 2 hour profit on the day, but
I personally find that one too close.
Which
But
one?
because in there you won't be exercising the holding. That price is very reachable.
yeah, but that's the thing with holding, like, you know, I have like 1 hour and a half
Mm-hmm.
of profit
Yeah.
that I'm sacrificing. Like, it's half my profit of the day, technically, because I had to come down of the red.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah. Well, my guy, that's up to your discretion there. But I understand you. It's just like, yeah. Oh my gosh.
Or I take another half and I let one share run. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're doing. There you go. Okay, so I have 2 hours on the day, then I let one run.
Nice. Nice.
Good discipline.
Like right now, my top step thing, like, it's not pretty. Last week I lost 400 and only win 140. This week, yesterday I lost 460 and today win 200. That's way bigger loss than win.
Yeah, to Davey's point, it's when you flip sizes. Why?
like in between my good trades that I take. Bad trades.
Hurry up. You know, I'm gonna let the soft guy go away. It's okay. I don't have much patience for that soft guy, so it's good.
This okay.
What?
Here comes the money, money, money.
The soft guy. Is the tape flipping?
Probably.
So when the tape flip, do you get out of your holding, or you stay in?
Well, that depends. Depend on, for me anyways, I can only answer for myself. I might, if I still believe in the move, I'll de-risk.
Yeah, on the less risk I can be. I have one share and break even.
Okay. Because a lot of times when it pulls back, and we've experienced this probably 100 million times, without any exaggeration, it's gonna pull up back, and we're just, ah, God, is that a smoky move? You come out of the position, and right after, kaboom!
So what would you do on Spire then?
Oh, I'd hold.
Yeah, until he print 188, I am given to the bad things.
188?
688, yeah. See, until I print 688, I don't do anything. If he goes 687.90 and return, then I have to do something. But because what happens is that we don't know what is in there until he printed. Like you know, sometimes you see the stock reversing like 1 cent from the price, but later it just come back to the price because it didn't test it. So they didn't know if the buyers that were there were that bullish. So like right now, basically, if we apply the reverse analogy there, we know that 688 on SPY is heavy. Like, and to be honest, like we are being very conservative by saying we're gonna go all out at 688, because the actual price on SPY that is willing to be printed today is 690. So you are already coming out early at 688, but once we print 688, because the level that is there is quite big, we're gonna see how aggressive the buyers or the sellers are. But as I like, and I can see that like those doubts that you have of holding eventually, like that's just a stage, Zach. Once you start piling profit on your favor, you're gonna be able to do this. You're gonna say, okay, you know.
At starting, you need all the profit.
Yeah, exactly. At the beginning, it's very different.
And my entry is 4 on that one, stop loss. Like you have to pull back a lot and give me up. 685.
One more night. One more night.
One more time.
Oh, he's gonna put another.
Yeah, he got a Daft Punk in there. Daft Punk.
Oh my god, I'll send you an Instagram video.
Okay.
Do you have Instagram still?
Oh yeah, I do. The only thing I don't have is TikTok. And like
I don't have it.
I wanna have TikTok because I have so many people, like my brother, people
Yeah,
that I
the
know.
guy on the group sending the.
Exactly, he always sends TikToks, and it's like I cannot see it because I don't have a TikTok.
So go look. It's about Porsche. And put the sound on. The best edit that
Porsche engineers knew exactly what their objective was: to make the new 911 GT2 RS the most powerful Porsche for the road. Objective achieved.
Wow.
One day, my guy, one day.
pretty good.
Yeah.
With the music at the beginning.
And they made similar things in the past, similar breakthrough with the first time they did the twin turbo. The car was unholdable. They had to put like extra wire tires, and it's like,
Too much power on the hood.
yeah.
You know what? Like, I did tell you yesterday. This weekend I had a supper with my godmother. And like, she doesn't live here. She lives near Mirabel.
Okay.
She's working at Airbus,
Like Wang.
the plane company.
Yeah.
But yeah, so I was telling her, we were laughing, and I was telling her like, I want to go in Germany for an internship, like in my university.
Mm-hmm.
And she's like, no way. She's like, I know I have a contact there. Like, one of her friends worked at Airbus and went to work to Porsche.
What?
Oh.
He said that it's crazy there, like the way of doing things and everything. And she said that she can get me an internship, maybe.
Oh,
My
yeah,
guy.
right. I want my discount, you know? Just write it down there. Discount for my guy.
Oh.
My guy. So I told my girlfriend, and she was like, holy fuck, that's your dream. And
Yeah, that should be so cool, man.
Mm.
And it's
Wow.
cool because like I don't know if you know that, but between Canada and Germany, you have a lot of facilities to do that.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, like I used to work in Ontario when I worked in the car manufacturing company. That he was a German, and like he came to the fabric to do an internship, like this guy wants to do. But yeah, so ooh la la. Okay, now I have to go to Germany to visit my guy.
Oh, that'd be so sad. To go to Germany. Oi.
I have family in Germany.
I was gonna, the way you said, oh, well, now. Yeah.
like
That
yeah,
would be so cool.
I do have some.
Yeah, that's the thing, like, I would go to Quebec for a whole year, then in my summer, instead of seeing my friends, my family, I would go there. I would kind of,
Well, like it's like, but to your point, it's like I never wanted to go to Germany. I'm sorry, it's no.
No, but no, the
I
way
know
you
I want
said
to
it
go
would.
to Japan. Like Japan is something I know. I want to go to Japan.
Oh no, I'd like to go to Germany.
But to go to Germany, like yes, I love their cars, but I never thought I'd go. Do I want to go to Germany? You know, it's like
Yeah, I'd like to go to Germany.
just to go to those planes museum and things like that they have that are fantastic. It's like holy crap. But yeah, it never went through my head.
Okay.
Like I would not go to Germany to work like for Audi or something like that. But for Porsche, I got signing it right now.
He's there.
You mean you wouldn't go to work for Volkswagen?
No.
You know that
So-
they had the same thing. Like,
Oh,
if
yeah.
you buy a Volkswagen, you're gonna find a lot of Audi parts in the car.
Yeah.
Like if I go there to work for Audi, Volkswagen, something like that, I would rather go to US and work for like
For
Ford
Tesla.
or. But like the thing that would make me go to Germany is Porsche. For sure.
Ooh la la.
One thing that maybe you guys can inform me, but I haven't heard a whole lot about Acura. Because every car maker has their
Luxury brand,
yeah,
yeah,
the
like-
luxury brand, right? So
But like, what you mean? If it does exist yet? Yes.
no, it still exists, but we seem to. I haven't seen a whole lot of commercials or marketing for Acura.
Yeah, Acura is more. Don't do marketing, you just buy it.
Yeah, you buy it if you like it. If you don't, I'm sorry, but we're not gonna go and shop for you.
Yeah, it's like Lexus. You don't see many Lexus.
Yeah, one here,
there.
one there. Yeah, and they're
So-
Toyota, right? So
Mm-hmm. There are a couple Acuras from the past that I like a lot too.
oh, I really enjoyed my Acura, but replacement parts.
Yeah, but you never change one part until it's like very old.
Hey, I broke.
Ah, well,
somebody
you
broke.
put a lot of miles in yours too. Like,
No, Acura maybe, yeah, but somebody broke my antenna.
yeah, we don't have those anymore.
No, but when
yeah, I
it
know
was
what you
there, and you know, I had a friend at that point, and they said, "Oh yeah, don't worry, an antenna is just like $50 at that. Don't worry." I go to the dealer, $600. I said, "It's an antenna." I said, "I want to see the gold or the platinum in there." I found it, everything. You're right. You don't replace a lot, but when you do replace,
On which type of car? Or yeah, it was
Acura.
something like that. Acura.
Yeah, Marie used to drive
Yeah, but-
a Acura, a standard Acura. You didn't know that, huh?
Oh, that was
You drive one? Or you?
Marie.
I used to.
She had one.
That was my second car. My first car was manual. My second car was manual. And then I dropped the manuals when it was 1,000 kilometers a day. I said,
Yeah.
that can be a little long when you're driving a manual for 8 to 10 hours on long roads. So, yeah, okay, I'll switch. And then I switched to a luxury couch, a living room couch, Impala. Wonderful power, but
Yeah, that's like a rocking chair.
that is a couch. I used to insult people so much when I told them that, but it's like driving in my living room. It's a couch. It's so comfortable.
It's funny. I think that's from the GM's car. Like that have been the most comfortable car I have ever went in.
Hmm
Like.
And that's what, obviously, power under the hood because of all the passing and, the log trucks and everything up north. Like, I needed something that had power under the hood. And obviously comfortable if you're 10 to 12 hours in your car. But, wow. And then we gave it as a birthday present to Max. And within a week, he totaled it.
Yeah, I hear the story.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Max is not easy on cars.
Ooh, boy.
Hey, that means he really enjoyed it.
Yeah. I
I
remember the
enjoyed it a lot.
The Mazda.
Mazda. Every week he had a broken something.
Yeah. If it wasn't a rim, it was, something
Well,
happened,
like,
the side, the door.
He naturally put a lot of miles on the car. Like, for example, I think his Corolla is already like if it's not close, it's above the 300,000. And like he bought it before than me with less mileage than my car. Of course, like I'm not a sample because I only put like I put less than 6,000 miles, kilometers per year on my car. So, but yeah, like when he told me, I said like, what the heck do you do? And he said, oh, I go a lot to Montreal. I go a lot to here and there. I said, wow.
Yeah, I think my average when I was working for LCBO was, and they would question you if you would be below 100,000 a year.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. They
What
would
were you
like,
doing?
What were you doing? You weren't visiting your store. Like if you don't have 100,000 and some
So
depending.
you just take the car and take a lot of trips with your family. Like, let's go camping here. Let's go camping to the
No, you need to track
north.
between each car. You had to log everything in.
One more time.
Look at Spyro.
Hello? You know, like the Porsche is my dream car. But you know the second one that I'm gonna buy?
Which? Okay, wait. Yeah, let's try
Man, that
guessing.
one is hard.
Yeah, it's pretty hard.
Um,
It has one of the best sound. And it's, yeah.
A Supra?
a Hellcat?
No.
Okay.
It's the Ferrari 812 Superfast.
Oh, Jesus. Okay. Ay, ay, ay.
So it's a V12 front engine,
Is Ferrari what, Zach? F12?
812, 812 Superfast. Like, it's not the most pretty, but the sound of that thing,
Oh, that's the car that the guy had in the gas station.
Oh, yeah, yeah. You're bonding.
Yeah, that guy.
What a shape, though. That's beautiful.
Well, I'm not sure. It looks like, but I'm not sure. Yeah, I had that thing. Yeah, it was that one.
that thing right there, look at the videos of it
Wow.
revving in tunnels.
Wow.
Let's see. How much does it cost that sack?
500K.
Canadians?
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, that's true. Now, 500K USD is kind of a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot of Canadians. Yeah, it's
Yeah, Toronto, 509,000.
does anybody know what is going on Nvidia?
From the side, it looks like a Viper.
I like Viper a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Like a long nose and the cockpit in the rear.
Mm-hmm.
That's its rear-wheel drive.
Nice stuff.
Oh, and there's a blue one. Ooh la la.
A blue?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Ferrari, I only would like one of the two colors. 3 colors, actually. I would like a gray one, yellow, or red.
Look at that. I'll send you a picture. That shit is nice. Yeah, it's the only car I would take yellow. Or,
Well, like, there is another car that I would take yellow, and it's the FD. The RX
Yeah.
FD.
uh,
RX-7 XT.
I sent you a picture of the blue.
Oh, yeah, it looks good.
Mm-hmm. I like it.
No. No.
It looks good, but I wouldn't buy it.
No.
Not that
Blue, no. It would have to be an incredible.
Discount?
No, no. No, but
At that
if
point,
At that point, who cares about the discount?
for me, it would have to be, if it is blue, it would have to be a how do we call that?
Like, less bright.
Subaru.
More bright?
No, you know those.
Oh, the baby blue one.
No,
Yeah, baby blue.
no.
Okay.
You know the ones that it's almost like a 3D color that change the blues.
Yeah.
How do you say that in English
don't know how to
again?
say Blue.
It's something graphic, chromographic, or
Yeah, I think
Granite.
it's.
Ferrari. Let's see.
Yeah, a little bit better. A darker one. Yeah, like,
Which one?
yeah, maybe like more like a royal, but it has to be like I really like those I don't know how do you call that.
Yeah, I don't know how to call it, but like I know what you mean.
chromographic.
No, it's like some of them when they have a very wider range, they go like from blue almost to purple when the sunlight hit them.
Yeah, I don't know the name.
Like you know the Porsche that is in front of the lake, like when you take Saint Louis, the brown one. I don't know if you have passed by there, like when it's a sunny day.
I don't know which one you're talking about.
I know you know which one because maybe you don't remember, but we talk about that Porsche. It's like if you go here in Gatineau, like you go beside the lake, like where right before the restaurants. Well, after the restaurants, like there is a house that normally have a Tesla and a Porsche, and there is a Porsche. It's a GT3 Porsche that is brown.
Yeah.
But yeah, and like it has that color shade thing. Like I passed during the weekend and it was very sunny.
Sorry, Scooter?
That color. Yeah, she got it. How is it called? No, like the one in their car, like car, exactly.
Tricolor.
Tricolor.
Yeah.
Piccolo.
Yeah, see? When you open the door, depending on the angle, it's
Yeah, it
very
looks
dark.
very different.
But then when you close it or you hit the sun, it's a different. That kind of car, that's the color I would put. But
Will you get a Cybertruck, Zach?
No.
That was fast. Sure about that one. One more time. All right, we're gonna wrap it up around there. So, hey, hello, how are you doing? We're just about to wrap it up. By any chance, are you trading? Or are you a trader? So yeah, basically, like I'm gonna walk you through my trades, and then we check Maurice, then Zach. My name is David. David.
what is your name?
Josh.
Yash.
Nice.
Welcome, Yash.
Welcome to the channel. So I took a trade on Microsoft and MSFT. So basically here, like this was a trade that I hold overnight. Like both trades, like basically Nvidia as well. So Microsoft, my average price was below the 485 here, but like it was around here, but from yesterday. So I just add a little bit here because I was thinking that it was going to move, and I got out here for roughly 0.6 hours, something like that, and then look at what it did, going back up. I was telling from yesterday that that was a good trade to take as a swing trade, not as a day trade. But I just didn't want to hold it because tomorrow we are not trading, so I don't want to hold it for the holidays because, you know, anything can happen during the holidays. And though I'm holding Google for New Year, I'm not holding Microsoft because it's not performing as well. So, but when it comes to Nvidia, so here, Nvidia, I have Nvidia for a couple of days already. I added from 182.64 right here. And I should be taking some partial here, but I'm pretty, like, I'm kind of certain that it will go to 194 very soon. If it doesn't go to 194 before the close, I would just close the trade, but that's a very good trade on Nvidia. So, and another trade that I liked but I never took was Apple short. Like, Apple is at the point that I will be looking short, like, if ever, but with little amount of shares because the market is trying to go higher. So it's a counter trend trade for Apple. But if I take the trade on Apple there, yeah, I'm from Dominican Republic. Yeah, so if I take the Apple trade here, like roughly my target will be at around 264. So from 271 to 264, risk to reward ratio there, it makes sense. But we will have to take little shares because, as I say, toward the upside, we have to kind of manage a little bit of volatility yet. So, but that's it for me. So I have a very nice green day here. So, what about you, Marie? What did you trade?
Okay, so I traded INTC,
NTC.
QBTS, and RCAP.
Okay.
So if I go, my first trade I believe was INTC.
Okay.
So
Quite choppy there, actually.
Oh, very choppy. So usually INTC, as you know, is aligned with SPY. So this is one of the reasons that I took it. As you know, we started just a wee bit late, and I saw it as a short. And when we're looking at a short for INTC, it didn't really go through the 36. So I only have 1 hour loss there. And I walked away. I saw the tape. It was really, really rangy. I said, even though SPY is popping, INTC does not have that same momentum and strength. So walked away there. Then I took QBTS.
QBTS, okay.
So QBTS, that was totally, did not read that properly. I was going long. So I went long at the VWAP and
Right
got
here.
out again at a loss, at 1 hour loss. I'm glad that I was able to walk away from them and not get out of control. So again, I was trying to look for longs, being aligned with SPY. We saw that the tape was really, really bullish for SPY.
Okay.
And the last one was RCAT. So
Okay.
RCAT, I went long at 925 and even added to the 920.
Right here.
But I did not take a partial when it popped out at 936. So that was my error for sure, because there I would have been able to take a little bit of a partial there, but I did not, and that was my last trade.
Okay. Okay, so yeah, like all those tickets are a little bit choppy, the ones you mentioned. there.
Correct.
And yeah, let's see how it does. But yeah, you still have that trade or not?
Nope.
No.
No
Okay.
trade right now.
What about you, Zach? What did you do?
Yeah, I went right at the open at the 9:32. I went short
Right here.
at
Okay.
the top. Right at the top.
Yeah, that was almost like
Oh, it was right here.
685.50.
Okay, I see. Yeah. 932 is right here.
And it's just that I'm showing my trade on the future, so the price aren't the real one.
Mm-hmm. Are different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so around 685.50 I went short. Then I saw it reversing from my level, so I took everything, I went long, I flipped.
Okay.
Then at the top at 9:49 I took like 3 partial.
Yeah. Here I remember that.
I had a little bit left, so when it touched back my level at 685 I went back long.
Okay.
Then it breaks, so it made me a bit of profit all this trade, but not that much.
Okay.
Because I had it heavy at the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Then it went down, touched my other level
Yeah,
at
right there.
684.40.
Yeah,
I
I
had
got
it
it
right there. And then I thought that it was gonna break because it was looking bearish. So I went short. I was a mistake. I went short. Slight reversing. I took the loss. I took a smaller loss than what I risked. I got out
Mm.
by myself.
Mm-hmm.
It bounced. I went short almost on the top of the bounce.
Mm-hmm.
Took a bit of profit from the bottom.
Okay.
And got stepped out and flipped my position for long. And I saw that trade. So that was my trade. The thing I should have done is follow my lows, follow my long sentiment in the beginning, and
Mhm.
just go along on that level. 684.50. I would have been an insane trade, but it's still a freaking good trade.
Okay, nice. Yeah, so for the person in the chat, yeah, my name is David Checo. So, like, what would you like to know? Tell me, like, are you trading? What is your call? We basically trade here only from 9:30 to actually 9 to 11:30. So we are about to wrap it up, and we are not trading for the rest of the week. We're gonna be back here Monday. So Monday, and that week we're gonna trade a little bit longer because it's like it's Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So then we go off Thursday, and we're supposed to be back Friday, right? So that makes sense.
You
Sorry?
take,
Yeah.
you mean you take the 31 and the 1?
The 31, yeah, the 31st, we're supposed to be able to trade half a day.
Okay.
Then the first, we are off. And then the
Mhm.
second, we are back.
Back with the new year. Let's go.
Yeah, exactly. So for the person in the chat, if you want to know anything else, just feel free to put it in the comments, and I will make sure I reply to you. But for now, that's it for today. I hope everybody have a good day. I hope everybody's doing good. And yeah, we're gonna be back here Monday. See you then.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays,
Happy
everybody.
holiday.
Bye.
Bye.